Say friends, scattered like leaves in the breeze, all hidden in the shadows with fake tongues disease. Trust is a blade, double-edged, it cuts deep. Burn me once and I hit delete. Zero trust, ain't no room for deceit. You crossed me once, now you're obsolete. Fuck me over, you're a ghost in the street. You'll never meet this version of me. Memories fade, burn photos to ash. Loyalty's a currency and almost everyone's trash. I keep my circle tighter than a closed fist. Paranoia's my armor, I ain't blind to the twist. No apologies, no second chance. You played yourself, now you're out of the dance. Not a dream comes true from karma's dance. The reaper keeps score and your light goes down. Zero trust, ain't no room for deceit. You crossed me once, now you're obsolete. Fuck me over, you're a ghost in the street. You'll never meet this version of me. Judaizing concepts echo in my head. I'm burning bridges of the past like my next conquest. Trust is extinct, a fossil in my chest. Zero trust, I lay that to rest. Trust, ain't no room for deceit. You crossed me once, now you're obsolete. Fuck me over, you're a ghost in the street. You'll never meet this version of life.